Hi, let's unbox and review this Honor Magic 7 Lite. So the first thing you see when you open the box is of course the Honor Magic 7 Lite itself. The model comes in titanium purple like mine and black colors. Now let's take a look at the box. So let's remove this plastic part. In the box we can find this USB Type-C to Type-A charging cable and also an ejector pin for opening SIM card slots. But please note that SD card is not supported in this device. And also the power adapter is not included in the kit, by the way. Also in the box we can find some user manuals, warranty card, and this user manual, of course. Now let's take a look at the design of this phone. So it looks interesting thanks to the large camera elements on the back. And there is this bronze embossed circular border around the camera, which adds to the style. It's also lightweight, about 190 grams, and quite thin, just 8mm wide with a 6.78-inch curved display. And the manufacturer claims the phone is drop resistant from up to 2 meters, but I won't be testing that out. Now let's discuss functionality and display of this phone. So it has an AMOLED display with a resolution of 1224 by 2700 pixels and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. Right here, we can switch between 120 and 60 Hz. There are also some eye protection features like Honor Eye Comfort, which makes the screen warmer at night to reduce eye strain. And you can also enable here this ebook mode, which turns the screen to black and white. Just like this. Now let's discuss brightness. So brightness reaches 4000 nits, so you can see everything perfectly in the sunshine. And this is the lowest brightness possible. Now let's talk about audio. The stereo speakers are quite loud and clear, but music, in my opinion, is still better to listen to through a Bluetooth headset. Let me demonstrate you the sound through settings. So let's just test it with the help of ringtone volume. So as you can see, we got up to 300% volume, which is quite impressive. Now the battery is also powerful at 6600 mAh, enough for up to 25 hours of video playback or 5.5 hours of gaming. And also charging to 80% takes only 42 minutes. Let me show you animation while charging the phone. So we got this information supercharging. This phone does support fast charging and supercharging as well. The Honor Magic 7 Lite is powered by a Snapdragon 6th Gen 1 chip with 8GB of RAM and 512GB of internal storage, but storage expansion is not supported. Overall, the performance is good, although there may be slight lags at times when quickly switching camera modes, for example. Let's open camera and try to switch. So yeah, quite a bit of lags. Also, in gaming, it performs well on mid-range games, but I think it will lag on Genshin Impact. So as you can see, performance is quite good. We got smooth animations. Everything runs smoothly and without any lags. on this mid-game Subway Surfers. Also, Magic OS 8.0 based on Android 14 offers a lot of customization and usability options, which you can find in home screen and style. For example, we can find here always on display, and we can even set our own photo as always on display. Here we'll find many options, and just tap apply, turn off the phone, and this is your always on display. Now the next thing we got here is themes, so you can switch to different theme. Here you'll find several options. You can tap more themes and check more online options in this themes app, which you can of course install for free and non-free. Also, we can find here phones, so you can customize your phones, you can customize your icons, select different wallpaper, and so on. Also, there are cool options how to take screenshots on this device. For example, just knock on the phone like that twice, and the screenshot is taken. We can also knock with our knuckle once and then draw a circle, and we'll also take this partial screenshot. And knock and draw an S will give us scrolling screenshot, but in that case we would need to open any app in which we can scroll. Honor Magic 7 Lite phone has a decent dual camera setup with a 108MP main lens and a 5MP wide lens. Videos are recorded in 4K, while selfies are recorded in 1080p. And also, switching between camera modes is quite convenient. Here we got also multi-video. So this is how it should look. Your selfie camera and also your main camera. So now let's switch to video and try to take a video as well. And yep, there is also an auto shot feature when a smile is detected, which is pretty convenient as well. Let's take some more photos so I will show you the result and how detailed it is. You can find some customizations on top as well as AI photography. You can go in settings, change resolution. Here you can add assistive grid, of course, find timer. You can find here watermark if you want to. You can mute camera, add floating shutter button, which will look like that. And now let me show you quality of the photos. So this is the photo. As you can see, it is really detailed and high quality. Let's take a look at the video. Video is also high quality, so everything is just fine with the camera on this device. And this is my impression of the Honor Magic 7 Lite, fast and impressive smartphone. If the video was useful, just subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.